And don't forget to roar. You sound good.
What's good, family? It is Sunday, Memorial Day weekend. We're having a barbecue. Everyone's invited and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be turned. All of that, all the above. 7:51 right now, which means it's still early. Gonna eat some breakfast, then gonna pick up some grilling material, hot dogs, burgers, buns, etc. Take you guys along with us throughout the whole day. Let's do it.
Good job.
Somebody's cat just wandered into our backyard. Crashing the party, I guess. Yeah.
You manning the grill or you guarding the grill? Huh? Which one?
I'm toddlering the grill. Some of that chicken.
Everything's just about done. It's about 1 now. People are gonna start arriving around 2, or you know how people do, fashionably late. Anyway, that ain't gonna stop me from starting to eat the grub first. Special shout out to Billy. He just got engaged. Saw that on the gram, man. It's a beautiful thing. Love. Little man right here playing in the dirt. It's a beautiful day, man. I don't know what exact weather it is, but let's find out. $77 degrees, man. Kick back.
Regular bottle for it too.
I'm going to Napa in July.
Oh, I know, I saw it.
Bedtime. Woohoo.
This.
Yeah.
It's like a half wave.
Hello.
Yeah, under.
What's up,
Not really
Eat this shrimp.
So did you go to the IH show?
Andrew and
Yeah.
Christy brought the beautiful
Joe Bennett
presented
called me. Was she
shrimp cocktail
Yeah, he was
In a
there.
pie
I saw
pan.
him.
in a pie pan. Hey, I'm taking a hit from them. Next kickback, I'm doing the same exact thing.
Got every song. It's
Great.
Genius. That is genius.
Easy finger.
All right, Pete. This is going to be the very first official maiden flight for the vlog.
that I wrote for
For the party trick. We got DJI.
Do you do like any video stuff
I mean,
too?
if anybody asked for like what
And
you've been doing, I'd send them a bio.
We got
I'm a
the
video
remote.
editor.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Kobe, guys.
Yeah.
Look at this little, oh man, so handsome.
He's a good looking dog.
Look at this little handkerchief scarf that
He
actually.
looks so good. You are so pretty.
Yeah,
So
they
cute.
on there. None of us even know. She went up, did it, and then got off, and we didn't even know it.
Yeah.
If I were an animal, I'd be that sneaky too.
Oh yeah.
They want what they
There's like icing on his mouth.
Feeling like the only one I get.
I feel weird. Yep, I finally have it. It took like 3 months to get him.
3 months. And how many scans for a season?
Yeah, like 3 scans.
Oh, he's very gentle. There. There's here, and I think there's one.
Okay, let's try. Okay, go.
Gus and Koga having a great old-fashioned time over there. Where is he? Oh, Joe Beth. The iPhone videography extraordinaire. It's a creative affair. We got the musicians on this side. We got the videographers on this side. And musicians. And she's jack of all trade, basically.
It's like, it is kind of like a cafeteria. But it's a beautiful space. I did a so far sound show. Now I wonder about like, do I need to send my impressions and making sure that, you know, everyone's happy? Because like, I'm just like
doing your job.
You know?
Just giving people food. And just buying that, bringing on coffee and just serving food.
No, I'm just like, I don't know. It's been really cool because like everyone's really good at their own thing. Like the drummer is a fantastic drummer, guitarist is a fantastic guitarist, front of house is fantastic front of house. Like everyone's really good. It's Imogen Heap. Like she taught me everything. Like I didn't know, I couldn't like Google how to use gloves because like it's not commercially available. So I was like, here I go, like, hope this makes sense. And she like explained everything, and she's like, so brilliant. So it's really cool to like from her.
Yeah, she
And
knows
I've asked so
herself
many
how it
things.
works. She also explained everything to me herself. And it's not like she makes somebody else make her life set and just. We can't even get stuff started without her because she knows all the movements.
Yeah, no, I can connect everything, but I could not put the gloves on and like do anything.
Do it.
No. They look great.
And then like everybody's like dancing. Well, I guess a lot of old. We're having a nice little night barbecue or something. But I would say like for cruise, I always think it's like. I mean, unless you're gonna do like a world tour one where you've already done travel.
So the lighting worked out, guys. It is a beauty. It illuminates the whole yard. Hello.
Hello.
Right.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to my barbecue.
Yeah. And we got
Wow,
this
it
tribe.
looks so nice.
I know, right? It works. This is okay, guys. This is the perfect lighting situation. We had this light for like over a year, and it's amazing. Look how this backlight, this backyard's illuminated.
We look great in this lighting.
Oh, exactly. Anyway, so we're gonna end it here. The gang came, had a great time. Had a good time. Yo, thank you guys for coming. Peaceful.
Bye.
Peace out, guys.